Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Gmail in mobile phone. So I'm going to open the Gmail app first, and then since I've already logged in into my account, you can just click on your profile icon at the top, and then if you want to create another account or create Gmail, you can just click on add another account. And then here you can choose a Google. Oops. Okay, so here you'll be directed to the sign in page, but if you want to create the account, just click on create account option and choose whether you want to create the Gmail for yourself or to manage your business. I'm going to use for myself, and type in your first and last name, for example, and then click on next and enter your birthday and also gender. Click on gender and click on next again, and then here choose your Gmail address. So you can pick the Gmail address that is provided by the Gmail suggestion, or you can also create your own email address. So I'm going to use the suggestion right here and click on next, and then the next thing that you need to do is create your password. Click on next. Okay, click on next, and then you can add your number to confirm that you're not a robot. And when this process is done, you'll just need to click on the terms and also condition from Gmail, and your account will be created. Okay, so I think that's all for me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.